LinkedIn on me.
Hello, who are you?
I'm Jeff. I'm Jeff.
You're Caleb.
Caleb.
I'm Sydney. I'm Deirdre.
Alright. I assume that this place is like the Times Square of New York and that locals avoid it at all costs. But like, look at this view. So we came in here, and we are currently here, and we walked like this for 3 hours. Hey guys, I'm here with Allie. We're going to the library because we have to hammer out a presentation that's due tomorrow that has not been started.
1 hour. Let's make it 1 hour.
And I keep forgetting to vlog, so I'm gonna like start awkwardly doing it in weird spaces. So here we go. So I'm in a little booth in the library. We're just setting up to work on our presentation. It's on a graphic novel that I think is about Jack the Ripper. It's titled From Hell, and we have to read like 8 pages, all of this right here, and do a presentation on it and present on it tomorrow, and we don't really know what we're supposed to do, so this will be fun. We just got back from the gym. We're walking back to the dorms, and there's like a heron in the water. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. I did arms, back, abs, and ran. What'd you do, Sid?
I did arms, shoulders, glutes, and legs. Even though I should not have done legs because I've been walking miles and miles every single day.
She's gonna feel that one tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at the swan's nest. Hello. Are you in? There you are. Oh, she looking at me? Time to go.
Swans are terrifying here.
Yeah, they are not afraid of people, and they will show it. Also, all swans in England are owned by the Queen, I guess. I don't know if she owns them or if she decreed that she owns them, but that happened. And then, check out this view. Hello. I hope this is good quality for the front-facing camera. But look at that. Look at that castle. Gorgeous.
You said meet me by the castle earlier, and I was like, oh my god, like that would not happen at my school at home. Like meet me by the castle.
Yeah.
We're in the UK.
Just casually has like a giant ass castle on campus. Like, hello, cute. Almost walked into the swamp. LOL, this is why people don't vlog and walk. Okay, we'll cut it short there. Bye!
Bye.
Okay, we're going on a pub tour. We just went to a church that is a war memorial with an evil French queen that haunts it.
Yep.
I'm Caitlin.
Hi.
They put a hot poker in his butt.
His organs burned up and he died.
The king that the evil queen killed. She wanted to rule France, apparently.
Yeah.
But we're going to all these pubs that are near St. Paul's Cathedral. And we're all excited. We might get trashed, who knows. We have class tomorrow.
We do have class tomorrow.
Tyler says we have class tomorrow.
Hot poker wielding one. No, horrible. No, this one is the ghost of a guy called Rahir. He's the man who, 900 years ago, built the original hospital, the one we walked through, the one that now they're rebuilding. It's a good thing they're rebuilding, because the medical treatments they were doing there looked like they had been stopped in the days of Rahir. Horrible hospital. Very old. But Rahir, he worked with the king. He was the court's jester. He could make fun of anybody, even the king. But he got very ill one day, and he said that if he would get better again, he would change his ways, he would become a monk, he would devote his life to God, to helping the poor, and so forth. And that's exactly what happened. He managed to survive a bout of cholera, which was unprecedented for that day. No penicillin, no nothing. So he did. He became a monk with other men. He came here to Smithfield, which was in his day a field. Smithfield, smooth field. It must have been an open area at the gates of the city. And founded what became the hospital of today.
So I'm making dinner. with a bunch of random things that need to be used up, and like specifically these chickpeas I bought not realizing that I don't have containers to put them in, so I'm making a bunch of soup. So let me show you my ingredients and tell you what I'm doing. I have spinach that really needs to be used, frozen green beans, chickpeas, carrots, and cup of soup, and I'm literally gonna just combine all of these and hope it turns out well.